It's the Congress also that's questioning the government on train derailments. The Congress is now asking who's answerable for the kind of derailments that are now taking place. Let's listen in.
You can keep renaming one train, you can keep renaming cities, you can keep renaming projects. But the reality is that train derailment is happening almost every day in this government. 38 rail accidents. Not a day goes by when the train or an engine has not been derailed. We have seen pictures of an engine built during the Congress term, pulling an engine built and a train built during the Mr. Modi's term, and that's the reality of railways. 38 rail accidents, 21 people dead, and the rail minister turns around and says, "Ye choti-choti ghatnaएं hain." Is this how insensitive, is this how brazen you really are? You're so busy in making reels that you care two hoots for the Indian Railways.
So we heard the criticism that's coming from the Congress party. They're saying that who's answerable for the derailments that have taken place, who's answerable for the accidents. And then they once again have gone ahead and regurgitated the Reel Mantri jibe while specifically targeting Union Railways Minister. Is the Congress party going to now, now as the government also gets ready to mark 100 days of Modi 3.0, is the Congress also planning to counter the government when it comes to its achievements in the railway sector?
Well, yes, as today the Congress party's national spokesperson Supriya Shuneth has presented a report card of the Modi government, the 100 days of Modi government, and for that reason the Congress spokesperson had also raised a lot of questions regarding the train accidents which have taken place during the tenure of the Modi government, and for that reason now Supriya Shuneth has also said that in these 100 days 38 train accidents have taken place in which 21 people have lost their lives. So she has said that we don't have any kind of problem with the modernization of Indian Railways or the name change of any trains or the cities, but the major question which arises here is that whether the Modi government will give any answer regarding the accountability which needs to be fixed for these train derailment accidents which are taking place in the past so many days, as she has also taken a jibe over the Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav by calling him a real minister, as she has mentioned that she has said and alleged that they are so insensitive that when this question was being asked to the Union Railway Minister, he has said that ye choti-choti baatein hoti rehti hai. So that was the jibe which is being taken by the Congress party, as they are also saying that first of all the Prime Minister must give an answer that why no accountability has been fixed regarding this entire matter, because this is something which is related to the safety and the security of our people, of our citizens, and that is the only reason why today the Congress party has presented a report card of the Modi government in which they have mentioned about various topics, whether it is about the terror attacks which are taking place in Jammu Kashmir or the train accidents which are taking place all across the country, or the Manipur situation. All these issues are being taken up by the Congress party to slam the Modi government regarding all of these issues.
Okay, but whenever there is a criticism coming in from the opposition when it comes to the condition of the Indian Railways, the government has always cited numbers to say that they have done much more for the modernization of railways. And some numbers cited by the government in the past is that the UP had spent 1.64 lakh crore from 2004 to 2014 on passenger safety, and the NDA has spent around 8.26 lakh crore between 2014 and 2024 on railway safety. And these are the numbers quoted by Ashwini Vaishnav on the floor of the House. So this is the kind of counter that the government has always given, Niyamika. What more will, right now the Congress says that the issue for them is not about name change or rechristening of railways or cities. It is about what the government is really doing to ensure passenger safety, to ensure that derailments don't take place, to ensure that accidents don't become a norm.
Indeed, and that is what is being said by the Congress spokesperson Supriya Shuneth as well. She has also raised a question over the Kavach, which was being introduced by the Modi government, as she has mentioned that a lot of claims were being made by the Modi government when Kavach was being introduced, but even after that 38 train accidents have taken place in the last 100 days. So she is now basically raising a question that why Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not fixing the accountability. She has also mentioned that this is something to ensure the passenger safety, party, because in every train accident which has taken place, there is no such statement which has come on the part of the Modi government, because she has also said that the Union Railway Minister is basically just trying to give away over all these accusations which is being leveled against the Modi government by saying ye sab choti choti baatein hai. So all of these issues are being taken up by the Congress party, as Supriya Shrineth is saying that firstly Prime Minister Narendra Modi should give out an answer that who is responsible behind all these train derailments which have taken place, as she has also said that the modernization of the railway tracks is also a very important move which needs to be taken by the Modi government, so that a proper safety and the security measure needs to be taken for the passengers who are traveling in Indian Railways.
So Rashid Alvi of the Congress party is now joining us on the phone line. Thank you, Niyamika, for getting us all those details. Mr. Alvi, right now we're getting information that the Indian Railways has renamed. In fact, it has changed the name of Vande Metro to Namo Bharat Rapid Rail. How do you look at this development?
Namo Bharat. It should be Narendra Modi Bharat. What is the... I'm unable to understand what this government is doing. Sometimes they change the name of this street, that street. They change the name of cities. Very recently they have changed the name of Port Blair. So what is going on? Whether it is Vikas, you have done nothing except to just change the names of so many things. So I do not know why Namo Railway. So Namo means no, N means Narendra, M means Modi. So specifically you say Narendra Modi Railway.
The counter, Mr. Alvi, coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party is that they also prioritize on the modernization of railways. The spending is much more on the development of railways and also on infrastructure. So why should a name be the issue?
You know, it appears before 2014, there was no road in India, there was no railways in India, there was no plane in India. Everything was done by Narendra Modi ji. You know, so many India, the first budget of this country was hardly 100, as I remember, 97 crore, 197 crore. And when Dr. Manmohan Singh has left as Prime Minister, budget of the country was about 20 lakhs crore. So, whether it is everything is being done by Narendra Modi ji, nobody else, it is very unfortunate. We should have respect for our forefathers, Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, even Dr. Manmohan Singh, so tallest leaders of this country. They have done a lot for the country. So we should have respect for every leader of our country.
All right, just running out of time here, Mr. Alvi, and I apologize for interjecting you. The Congress party, they're coming in with criticism saying that this government is only indulging in changing names, but when it comes to real work, as per the Congress party, nothing is being done.